I'm Danny, and this is my very first video of the year, so happy new year to everybody. Today's video is going to be a DHGate haul. I finally bit the bullet and actually bought some designer items off of DHGate. So if you're interested in what I got, stay tuned. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and share this video if you like these types of video. All these items I ordered on the same day, but they all shipped separately because they are from 4 different sellers. I did get 4 items. I'm going to start with the items like in the order that I received them, and then I will put like the date order and then the time received on the screen so you guys can get the time frame of like the order time from the delivery time. All these items that I ordered, I picked the time frame that it would come within like 3 weeks. So that was the date range for when I actually ordered them, but some of them came sooner. Some of them came in right around the same time that that the time frame gave me. First, we're going to start with the Louis Vuitton Palm Springs Mini. This was $32.38. This was the first item that arrived to me. It did not come with the box. It came with this little cheap dust bag. And it came all smashed. I had to put something inside of it to like give it the shape. But this is how it looks. The difference that I can tell from like the real one is because the straps are different. They're not like doubled like this. And you can adjust the straps. And also on these little thing here, it just says Louis Vuitton, but on the real one it just has LV. It looks like on the website. So this is functional. You can put stuff in there. And this is how it looks in the inside. And it did come with this little card. It's in a different language on the back, so maybe it's in Italian since this is an Italian brand. I don't read Italian, so I can't tell. But this is like the front of the card. And it says something about Louis Vuitton textile something. It's not like a it's not like a card or anything. But yeah, like I said, it's pretty functional. The zipper's okay. You won't really tell unless you're looking really hard at the straps. This is how the bottom looks. But it does look pretty similar to like the real one. This is how it looks in the back. I know the really small one, the real one, it has like a indentation in the middle. It's like sewed in the middle, like directly. So yeah, but again, this was $32.38. I really do like this, y'all. I still have like the stuff on here. I have not used this yet. Louis Vuitton. Next, we have these Gucci stockings. These were $12.56. It only came in like the shipment packaging and then this little thing like this. It was like a one size fit all thing, so I could not like pick my size or whatever. But this is how they look. I still have the cardboard in here, but I want to show you guys how it looks with the actual G's. You can actually see the G's. I'm going to try to hold it. I have not tried them on yet, but I do have like an outfit in mind of how I want to make it look. But these were $12.56. They do seem like long enough for me. So, but this is how long they are. On the website, it didn't give like a measurement for like height and weight and stuff like that. It's just like a one size fit all thing. Next we have this Gucci card holder, the GG Marmot. This is the only one that actually came in a box. It was $20.36. It also came in a little dust bag. And it came in like plastic. I haven't used any of this. It looks like this. And as you can see, the GG is covered in like protective tape as well to save it. And it has a Gucci made in Italy card in here. And it also can hold, it has one slot here, another slot here. The middle is functional as well. And then you have two more slots in the back. So yeah, it's a cute little functional wallet. Again, it was $20.36. And as I stated before, this is the only one that came with the box. Next we have this black bum bag. This came in just a dust bag. It looks like this. This is the embossed version. It's slightly different from like the original, because the original, the material is embossed, but it feels like it's like a leather emboss or something like that. I can't explain it. But this is how it looks. It did come smashed down like that. It's functional. This one's red in the inside. The real one is orange in the inside. But who's going to be inside all your bags, right? Came with this little card in here. And I only paid $22.58 for this one. And at the top it has the little Vuitton thing there. And then the back is a zipper. It's very functional. This is how it looks. And it does say Louis Vuitton Paris here on the front here. And it does have this little key ring thing. I don't know why. Only thing with this, when I put it around my waist, even though it has little belt loops and stuff, it's big around my waist. Like, this is like big around my waist. It was literally like almost like hanging off of me. I just put it around my waist just to see how it was. I haven't actually like worn it out anywhere, but it was big. On the little zippers it says Louis Vuitton. I think the real one just says LV, if I'm not mistaken. And you can like hold it like this too, like functional. You know how they like have it in the picture and stuff. You can just hold it like that. But yeah, I think this was a very good find. So when I went on DHGate, I was trying to find like items that I know I probably would wear and look very similar to like the real one, because I don't want something that looks like obviously fake, you know. So yeah. So all of my items I think was like $80 or less. I will put the final total up so you guys can see. I will also put like the shipping dates and the order dates on there as well. So those are all the 4 items that I got. So if you like any of those items, if you want the link to them, we can't put them in the description box because our video would get flagged. But just message me and I'll be sure to like send you the link to the ones that I have, if the link is still active, because you know sometimes the people, they pull the links down. So yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up this video, like this video, and share this video to all of your friends, family, followers, anything like that. If I have 2 ebooks for Ball Wags 1 and 2 on Amazon Kindle for 99 cents. Kindle Unlimited, get to read both parts for free. The link to those are down below. All my social media is down below as well if you want to follow me on any of those. I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching me. Thank you guys for tuning in. And I have more videos coming this year. I have more like exciting stuff that I'm going to do with my channel. So stay tuned, guys. Bye.